Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hi, my name is Sanjukta, and if you are watching this face for the first time, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So coming to the main video, that I have created this easy festive makeup look, which is like very easy to create. Also, I have used very affordable makeup products, which is like beginner or teenager friendly. Also, Durga Puja is coming, and for Pujo this look is perfect. And if you are interested to know that how I created this look step by step, then watch this video without skipping till the end. Okay, before applying makeup, I always love to pamper my skin so that my makeup doesn't look cakey. And here I am using minimalist vitamin C serum, and it gives amazing glow from within. Now I am massaging my skin so that this serum can easily penetrate into my skin. Next, I'm going to apply this Aroma Magic Almond Moisturizer so that it can lock my vitamin C serum. And last but very important product is sunscreen by Aroma Magic, and sunscreen is very important, especially if you are using a vitamin C serum. Okay, first I will conceal my under eye area, and for this I'm going to apply a dark shade of foundation. Maybe you can ask that why I am using a dark shade of foundation, because it will easily cancel out my dark circles. That's why I'm using a dark shade of foundation, and later I will reapply a light shade foundation, and it will uplift my under eye area. Here I am using my shade of foundation. Also you can use any concealer like this. This much amount of foundation is enough to highlight my under eye area. And for face, again I am going to apply this same foundation to all over my face. I am blending it with foundation brush so that I can get more coverage. Please don't forget to apply foundation on your neck, otherwise it will look like your face is fake. For baking, I'm going to use Wet n Wild Mega Glow Contouring Palette. And this palette is very affordable, as you can use this for two purposes. One is for contouring and another one is for baking. Also you can see that how I am doing my contour to give my face more sharpness. To get extra sharpness, I am going to apply banana powder under my contour. Before doing my eyebrows, I always love to comb my eyebrows. For my eyebrows, I am going to use Elegant gel eyeliner, and shade name is dark brown. Now please watch the process that how I get my thick and sharp eyebrows. And this is the outcome. To get more flawless eyebrows, I am blending it out with my old mascara wand. Now you can see how flawless it's looking. After so many years, I am using kajal, and this kajal is amazing. It's by K Beauty. It's very pigmented and smudge proof. The main product of this look is this teal green kajal by Nykaa, and I am using this kajal on my eyelid so that it can pop up nicely. Okay, now I am going to use the most underrated mascara, which is the Manish Malhotra collection mascara. This mascara is amazing. It gives nice volume. It separated the eyelashes very nicely. Also it's lengthening your eyelashes so good. Next move on to the blush, and this part is my favorite part of this entire makeup process. And here I am using this palette by My Glam. You can see how much happy I am while applying this blush. Now it's time for remove the banana powder which I have used under the contour so that I can get a flawless base. Now it's time for lipstick, and without lipstick this look is incomplete, and here I am using the Amazonian by Maybelline. It's a super stay long lipstick and I love this shade. It's a nudie and brown kind of lip shade. It gives you amazing look. From the same blush palette by My Glam, I am picking up the highlighter, and you can see how seamless it's looking. As you can see, my nose is not that sharp, and to give it a sharp look I am contouring my nose and then highlighted my nose point with highlighter, and it gives you amazing pointy nose. And here is the final look. This is it for today's video. I hope you love this video. You have already saw that how minimal and less product I have used to create this look, और आपने ये भी देखा है कितना अफोर्डेबल प्रोडक्ट्स मैंने यूज़ किया है जिस टीनेजर और बिगिनर फ्रेंडली. Also comment down what other video you want me to do. I will definitely make those video for you guys. But yes, if you are watching this video, don't forget to like this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, share this video with your friends and family. So I am very active in Instagram, so don't forget to follow there. You can enjoy lots of reels. I will see you in my next video. Till then, stay safe, stay happy, and happy Durga Puja.
মা দুর্গার আগমনে উল্লাসে আলিঙ্গনে মহামারী মুছে যাবে আজ। ঢাকের পিঠে পড়লো কাঠি পুজো হোক জমজমাটি নতুন সাজে সেজেছে আকাশ।